The Axis Y Dark Spot Correcting Glow Cream has quickly become a standout in my skincare routine. Designed to be used as the final step after applying the Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum, this cream truly locks in all the benefits, leaving my skin looking radiant and well hydrated. What immediately impressed me was the unique gel-to-water formula. It glides effortlessly onto the skin, transforming into a refreshing, non-sticky layer of moisture. The hydration is deep and long-lasting, which is remarkable given how lightweight it feels. My skin instantly feels revitalized, and there's no greasy residue, just a smooth, dewy finish that makes my complexion look healthy and glowing. The formulation is packed with powerful ingredients like 2% alpha-arbutin and 5% niacinamide, both known for their brightening properties. Within just a couple of weeks, I noticed a visible reduction in surface dark spots, and my overall skin tone appeared more even. The inclusion of a water-soluble vitamin C derivative adds an extra layer of brightening power, targeting hyperpigmentation and promoting a clearer complexion. The cream also fortifies the skin barrier, thanks to ceramide NP, which is essential for defending against daily stressors and breakouts. Ingredients like Centella asiatica, leaf extract, and Hotuenia cordata extract ensure that even sensitive skin feels calm and nourished after application. I particularly appreciate the soothing effects, as my skin tends to be reactive, and this cream has never caused any irritation. The clinical data supporting this product is impressive. A single application provides a staggering 667% increase in skin surface moisture, which I can vouch for. My skin feels instantly plumped and hydrated. Over 2 weeks, I noticed a 31% reduction in surface dark spots and even some improvement in deeper dark spots, especially when used in conjunction with the Glow Toner and Glow Serum. The combined effect of these products is truly transformative, offering much better results than the serum alone. The Axis Y Dark Spot Correcting Glow Cream is an outstanding product for anyone dealing with dark spots, uneven skin tone, or dullness. It's effective, gentle, and delivers on its promises of brightening and hydration. The added bonus of a fortified skin barrier makes it a must-have, especially for those with sensitive skin. While it's great for daily use, the best results come when it's paired with the full Glow Perfecting Trio. I highly recommend this cream for anyone looking to achieve a clearer, more radiant complexion.